Hey guys, I'm Miriam NYC.
I'm Rachel from Rachel Loves.
Hello, my name is Hart. It's Jen from Head to Toe, and I'm so incredibly excited to be collaborating with Pixi Beauty.
Pixi really allowed me to be me, to choose my own colors, to choose my own names, to take control of the creative process.
Just seeing it in person was a really surreal moment for me. It was something that I had drawn and I had dreamed of, and now it's here.
All the shades that I chose, they're all colors that I gravitate towards whenever I just want to feel good about myself.
I feel like Pixi is just one of those brands that is known for having really amazing products. Who wouldn't want to collaborate with Pixi? It's such a dream come true.